In Houston, a few years ago, a lot of people got sick and some even died because they lost power for so long.
We had a 6-day power outage about 2 years ago during the summer, and that was not pleasant.
Last time I had a hurricane come through here, I had a generator. It was not able to keep up with my health. The generator actually broke halfway through the hurricane.
Well, my wife and I spend a lot of time on the road, and so we're not looking for power system while we're there. We're looking for power to be maintained when we're gone, so you don't come home to a nightmare.
I started out being a big Eufy customer, and then that led me over to the Anker parent company, and then I got into the F3000, and now I'm looking at a system for my entire home.
So I just bought 2 of your Solix Prime 100s, and then from there I just went on the website and I just kept looking. I was like, oh, you can actually have this instead of a generator.
So we were exploring the Anker SOLIX E10 and also showing people our new house here at 3305 and 3309 St. Emmanuel Street.
I was shocked how small the system was overall. At first, whenever we were talking about it, we were like, okay, would it fit in my garage? But then coming here and actually seeing it, I can see how you can actually build up multiple stacks and have it in your garage and not worry about your car space.
I think they were very interesting. The whole home backup, and then being able to run the air conditioner, and then prioritizing which circuits that you want as your prior.
The E10's capability to supplement the house's power supply uninterrupted, and its ability to integrate with an existing home, not necessarily being built from the ground up.
The app is a lot more integrated and a lot cleaner than most of the other competitors out there, where you can have a single source, a single vendor that really has put together the whole picture and made it a seamless experience for the user without the very high cost of a Tesla Powerwall or something like that.
It's just a really good system. It's modular, so you can build it out.
My initial plans would start with a baby system and gradually build up. And I knew that this system would allow me to build up to where I needed to without too much trouble.
What we have here, we have 2 batteries, the inverter and the smart dock, and it's enough to power this entire house. This house is 2,400 square feet, and with a 5-ton air conditioning unit, and those 2 batteries will run the air conditioning unit and everything in this house. So that's why we chose the E10.